The concrete's gonna be on fire. Wait, you gotta wait.
Oh, shoot.
Put in a line.
I'm afraid to get my camera.
I'm not lighting it anymore.
No, because you sprayed it at the same time. Oh my gosh.
No, it's because you hurt me.
No, it's because you sprayed it at the same time, you
Those are
dumb.
dumb.
You do it.
That's too much, Liz.
What? Sarah? Go on, Jackson.
Okay, now someone light it.
Oh.
Why are we burning like cheese wax?
Because it's fun.
It's wax.
It's cheese.
Let me burn you now, Liz.
No.
Here, let's do it a little more. Because it dries up. Like
No,
that.
come on.
Ready?
You guys are freaking me out.
Do it.
Okay,
No,
move it.
Oh.
Oh.
It smells bad.
Jackson, don't lick this.
Okay, do it again, do it again.
Okay.
Oh, I missed the fire.
Okay.
You take pictures, I'll take video.
Oh, that looks cool. Let's roast marshmallows. Oh, next
Oh, me and Liz do that at my house.
Ooh. Light it again. I'm missing the pictures, man. Oh, no, you
Okay,
need
it
It
more of
burns
that.
it too fast.
If you just spray one, all of them light up.
Ah, come on!
Ready?
No,
Okay, you know what?
I
Start.
give up.